So how can you make your iPad less laggy? Now, there are a few places where you can tackle this issue. If it happens with a specific app, for example, you are using social media or some game where the app seems to be laggy, I recommend you to open up the App Store and look up the name of that application. It's kind of likely that there is going to be an update button next to it, and I want you to just update to the latest version of the app to ensure everything runs smoothly and is up to date. Then also make sure you do the same thing with the software update of the iPad. So inside of the settings app, general, and a software update, ensure that you are running the latest version of the iPad OS. Then we can do some other things like obviously restarting the iPad might help. A lot of times, a simple restart can just fix and alleviate the accumulated bugs and things like that, right? So make sure you restart the iPad every once in a while. Then also you can check out the background app refresh, which is also part of the general section, because if there are some things going on in the background, like a lot of apps are just being constantly refreshed, even when you're not using them, it can take away the power of the CPU, which should be concentrated and focused on the main thing you do, and therefore it could reduce the iPad's lag. So that's something I would do as well. And if not, I would just delete a bunch of stuff which I don't need, right? This might also help with the reducing of your iPad's lagginess, right? Or making it less laggy. Just go to the storage section, and if you have too many photos, just back them up somewhere else or do some other things to free up some storage, as this could actually help you. So let me know below in the comments if it worked. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I will catch you later in the next tutorials.